Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into our CapCut tutorial series with a comprehensive guide on how to add video inside text in CapCut. Gather your creativity and let's dive right in. Open your CapCut application, then import and add your video clip to the track. Next, navigate to the media section and click on library. Then add the white image and place it above the video clip. Next, go to the text section, then add default text and edit it according to your preference. After editing the text, proceed to the animation section. Then click In and choose the intro effect for your text. Once you've selected the animation, you can also adjust the duration of the animation using the slider at the bottom. Afterwards, export it. After the exporting process, remove the white image and the text. Then, import and add the exported clip to the track. Then move the white line to any place within the clip. Next, go to the video section and click on Cutout. Then activate the chroma key. Afterwards, click on the color picker icon and use it on the letter of your clip. Next, increase the strength to 70% and shadow to 35%. Then go to the animation section, click In, and choose the animation for your clip. As an example, I'll choose Fade In. Lastly, increase the duration to 1.5 seconds. And here's the final result. And there you have it! We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.